In 2017, I started trading cryptocurrency. I started after I first learned how to mine cryptocurrency and then later played around with trading cryptocurrency. Since then, I've been trading cryptocurrency and involved with various different projects. On July 10th, 2024, I decided that it was time that I learn more about leverage trading. But the way that I approach learning about things is not the same way that I think most people try to learn about things with trading. I see many people first get into trading, they do one trade, think they're amazing, then they put in way too much money and they lose a bunch of money. So I just look at it as an educational experience and wanted to record my educational experience for other people to experience and see kind of how I think about learning and how I would approach learning, not necessarily as, okay, yeah, I can be super successful, but actually about realizing that in the beginning, mistakes will be made. How do you make mistakes without severe consequences? And then how do you learn from those mistakes in order to create opportunities? So I actually started with $76. And many people will think, okay, so you start with $76, so like your trade's going to make like $1. Yeah, that's the point. Is if you cannot master trading with two-digit numbers, two digits being 76, then how will you possibly achieve doing it with three-digit or four-digit numbers? It's not going to get easier. It's going to get harder the larger the number becomes. So learning the things that need to be learned, it's best to start with the smaller numbers, and then each kind of jump that you do as you're adding a digit, so you're going two digits to three digits, there's going to be new things to learn that you haven't experienced before. And I look at it the same way as going to school. When you go to school, you're not looking to make money from going to school. You're looking to make money from the education you get from going to school. You just spend a lot of money. And when I look at trading, okay, yeah, it might cost a bunch of money and mistakes, but by minimizing the amount of capital going in, you can maximize the amount of education that can happen per dollar, which can later be used on whatever you want to do as your trading strategy once you prove that you have any clue what you're doing. So I want to take people along for this journey, and let's look at what's happened so far. So far, you can see I've been trading the 4-hour time frame. Started with buying here. First trade, boom, terrible. Lost some money. Another trade, second trade, okay. Keep in mind, like I said, I've been trading spot crypto for 7 years. And a second trade here, very nice. Okay, I bought down here, sold up here. And you can see some other crap trades in here where I tried different things. And also in here, some more trades. And then I was able to kind of scale in here. So I used the technique to basically see that we hit a daily moving average here. I bought in some more, and then I ultimately ended up selling here. And this brings us to today. So like I said, I started with $76. I did add a little bit more money. I was able to add $115 that was added to the account. So you have a grand total in the account that I added of $191.72. So with that $192.71, I'm currently sitting at $224 that I've turned that into this month. And I will continue playing with it. What's my plan going forward? My plan going forward is to continue to scale capital into this. So I want to add 100 US dollars a week and slowly move it forward. And the amount that I'm scaling is relative to me. I mean, each person, when they're learning, should be scaling something that isn't going to be a massive deal to themselves. If you are living in a Western country, making a large income, then yeah, $100 a month or $100 a week might make sense. If you make $100 a month, then $100 is probably a really terrible idea. And there's absolutely no reason why I couldn't have started doing this with $20 instead of starting with $76 and just kind of learn gradually. It's not a race, it's about learning, not about trying to win the lottery. If you're trying to play crypto markets like you're trying to win the lottery, you are just going to lose money, blow up your account, and go cry in the corner. And it's going to be really sad for you, sad for everyone else that watches it happen to you. And I've seen it too many times. Please don't do that. Don't take any of this as trading advice. Like I said, I'm just learning how to do this. I haven't done leverage trading seriously before. I'm not really doing it seriously now. I'm doing it as education right now and showing you how I would go about learning how to trade leverage, just the same as I would approach trading in any other market. For example, I traded mostly in crypto. If I want to trade in stocks, I'm not going to trade stocks the same way that I trade crypto, pretending that I fully understand that market. First, I'm going to learn that market, and then I will scale out. All right. Well, that's today's update. I think probably next week I'll do another update and see where I'm at, how things are going. That's all. Bye.